This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now sitting in a Tesla Model X long range Palladium. Well, or I mean, you know, Palladium, that's just an internal code name from Tesla, but it's the same as the Plaid, but it's just long range, not the Plaid. But we're gonna test headlights now today. And this Model X is equipped with matrix lights. So you already saw some matrix action. It's where we start now with the Motorway stretch, because I haven't actually not have chance to do the regular Jessheim route yet. It's been raining a lot, even now. Yeah, okay, it's okay now, but it was soaking wet earlier. But okay, anyway, so sorry that it feels a bit loud in here, because we have a whopping 8 meters per second headwind. That's almost 30 kilometers per hour headwind. So it's like we're cruising at 150, oh shit, some 150 kilometers per hour. No, that was the first flash. So I've seen it that the matrix lights they are not perfect. They tend to turn down a bit late. So let's see now how it works. At least it seems like it has good spread and fairly good strength. However, not as strong as the Audi SQ6 e-tron I tried recently. the Q6 is just incredibly strong in comparison to the Model X here. But I mean, Model X is still pretty good. We get maybe a somewhat wrong impression because it's wet outside, and yeah, usually when it's wet, it just feels a bit darker than normal. I don't know, I'm not sure how to explain it, but yeah, and also, okay, obviously when it's snowy outside, then it appears to be brighter, mainly because the headlights, they then bounce off the snow, yeah, up to the rest of the environment. But okay, at least you see that it is doing some matrix lights also on the Motorway, so that's good. And at least for now on these roads, I don't get flashed at that many times, but that doesn't mean that I'm not blinding oncoming traffic. Wait, dude, what the heck, man? Just like that Mercedes that passed us. Yeah, but it seems like many cars, they are turning down the lights late, and this car also. But I'm just gonna see if I can get more scenarios here. We still have some traffic. It's 11:30 now at night, Sunday night actually. But at least my impression is that on the Motorway stretch it works okay. It's not weak at least, and you see that it will turn down the lights fairly quick on oncoming traffic. But yeah, sometimes a bit late. But when it comes to big road signs, it seems that the matrix system cannot detect road signs. Sometimes it's even confused, and it will just flicker a bit on and off towards some road signs. But oh yeah, like now, you see. So it's a bit confused there. I thought it was an oncoming car, but it doesn't block out or at least dim out the road signs. So they appear to be quite strong when I want to read them. So that's a small minus, but as far as I know, not that many cars can detect road signs and dim them down. I think it was only Mercedes EQS and what other car was it recently? Maybe the Polestar 3. No, what was it? Was it Polestar 4? Polestar 4, I believe, could also do that. But overall, pretty good. Yeah, and here we have another scenario coming up. So when I approach a truck on a Motorway, let me just change lane slightly earlier, but okay. It seems to turn down the light late, which could annoy the truck in front of us. So now it's still on, I believe. Usually I can see it on the reflector on the truck, or actually technically the trailer, but yeah. So you see the reflector, they are like now it turned down. So maybe it appears to be late, but on the other hand, you're supposed to have the headlight, high beam. You're supposed to have the high beam on until your light cone meets the other light cone. And as long as you are several hundred meters behind a car or away from a car, then the high beam should be on. But I mean, I get the impression that oncoming traffic, if you are on nice straight roads, even if you're 1 kilometer away, what the heck, man? Stop bugging me! Shit, man, this autopilot crap. It seems like they don't want to turn down the lights 200-300 meters away. They want to turn down the lights 1 kilometer away on nice straight roads. So yeah, well, you can see that it's at least doing the blackout fairly quick now. But we have to test again around Falkenberg, Varberg, where the road is a lot straighter. But let's see again, let's observe what happens now. You see, now it turns down early, so that's good. But compared to the Germans, I think this is right on par with the Germans, really. Except for that, I feel like I mentioned, the Q6, even the MEB cars, you know, like ID3, ID4, and also Polestar. My impression is that they have more powerful lights, but then we are on wet road, so hopefully I can go on dry roads near Jessheim and get the right impression. Well, now we are further south in Sweden, actually close to Halmstad, if that matters. But over here the road is straighter, at least some sections, maybe not right now, but I can tell you that I have been flashed at a lot. On the long straights, the mother truckers, they flash at me. Also, if there's a hill like here-ish, then they also tend to flash at me. So it seems like, just like the German cars, this type of matrix lights, they cannot detect oncoming trucks, so the AI is not strong enough yet. We need Optimus to, not Optimus Prime, the Model X, but Optimus, the robot, to drive for us and figure out that, oh, there is an oncoming truck here. So yeah, let's see now. There should be some traffic here, so normally it works great when it's not too straight, but I mean, there are many places around Europe or other places also in US where the roads are straight, and then oncoming cars, like now you see the car is Tesla, there the full beam was on somewhat long. Now that trucker, I think it was right before he flashed at me, but other truckers, they are more trigger happy to flash at me. So but what can I say? It's useless? No, it just works like the other German cars. So at least not exceptional. But let's see if I can show you guys some flashing. No, that didn't happen. Okay, it turned down because there was a car in front of the truck. Then didn't flash. Okay, next. There. Okay, yeah, this is perfect scenario. See, nice long straights. Yeah, I have to mention that before. Yeah, there, the matrix went off. But there was also a case maybe 10 minutes ago around Falkenberg where a truck flashed at me two or three times, the same truck. I don't know what the heck happened. But you know, those truckers, they don't flash at me for no reason. They flash at me because the high beam is usually firing at them, then they don't like it. We're back in Jessheim on more familiar ground, so let's see now how good the headlights are. We're entering the dark zone. So yeah, let me see, I have to put it on auto. There, okay. And then it stays on, all right? You know, I just realized, I look at the video from the Plaid, and at least in that video, on the Plaid video, I claim that this is the same type of headlights we have in also Model 3 and Model Y, and right now I can confirm they look identical. It has this box, a rectangular box shape. If I turn off now and turn it on, yeah, nice and strong and fairly wide also. Well, actually, when I say rectangular, it has a slight trapeze form shape. It's not 100% rectangular, but still very good. Let's get over here. Yeah, you see. But when it comes to strength, okay, also strength, really good, like I've seen before. But also, from what I remember on the Motorway stretch, not as strong as the ID light and the Polestar 2, and also not as strong as the Audi SQ6 or Q6. That was some insane good spread. I remember the Q6 had even higher spread and stronger light. But this is really good. And it's matrix also. So at least now you can see what it looks like when we drive on this stretch, right? Wait, is that, Did they put red light here? Really? Are they doing some digging here? Is it Baustelle? Wait, where is it? Okay, but yeah. So that's good, because the headlights on the Highland, on the other hand, is not so great. It just appears to be weaker. Oh, okay, it's not in operation. It's weak, not so strong, not so wide as these headlights. So yeah, for what I heard was that here we have the Hella lights, and these are not using reflectors. They use lens to spread the light. Well, I don't know if the lens has anything to do with that, but at least these are nice and good Hella lights, whereas the Highline, I'm talking about Model 3. Model 3 Highland uses lens and different headlight, and they're not that good. Yeah, I wonder what's going to be in the Juniper then. Hopefully they get good headlights there. But okay, well, now we come over to this type of farm. Yeah, this farm, not the old farm inspection zone. So you can see here, low beam, high beam. Yeah, so very good spread and good strength all together. But I don't know if you can see it on the trees that, okay, the box is nice, but it's nice and tall, but not the tallest I've seen. For example, the i7, BMW i7, and also the Q6 was even taller. I mean, it's just, even this is tall enough just to get in some roller coaster road. It's still wide and tall enough to shine ahead. Yeah. But if it would be nitpicking, you could say that, yeah, but at least the light here is not 100% uniform. There are some brighter spots, yeah, but it's still very good. Yeah, just driving this route, so you guys, oh, there you go. Now it's doing some matrix action, but this is kind of weird. It's look at these signs here, and then it blacked them out temporarily, and then it fired up again. It's like the AI, ChatGPT was figuring out what we were looking at, and it's like, oh, okay, it's just a road sign. No, I don't know. I don't know if it uses AI or not. Probably not. Just based on some fixed presets of rules, maybe. But yeah, okay. We are almost at the end of the test now. So I mean, it's like it's planned. Yeah. And also, this is also what you can expect in the current Model Y. Wait, it blacked out that part. Oh, the stationary light. Okay, but overall, it's very good. Okay, it doesn't. I'm gonna do this. It doesn't rotate on anything. It doesn't refocus. So it doesn't have any of that stuff. So you get minus points. But there is some. Oh shit! A cat. Hope it wasn't a black cat that crossed the road. Can we undo it if we let the cat move back the other way? Oh, just kidding. But yeah, so if I would give it points, maybe 7 out of 10. It lacks some of the whatever punchiness, and some of the rotation and some of that stuff. resolution is not the super highest, unlike Mercedes, but 7 out of 10, I consider it pretty good. Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.